Good afternoon. Welcome to the informative, always informing in the timely manner.
Today, December 5, 2017, we are Elda and Yahaira bringing the networks to their homes.
We ask you to be with us throughout this edition as we have a relevant news.
We went completely to the news. They informed of the UVM community that the holidays will be delayed for a week due to the earthquake that occurred on September 19, 2017. So they will officially leave it until December 22 of this year.
Speaking of that, Delta, you have also reported that for students how to pay their re-enrollment before December 9, they will get 20% direct to the re-enrollment discounts.
This week of live UVM Christmas took place from December 3 to 7, 2017. There were concerts and variety of concert theaters, rallies, and food, all this in the Querétaro campus.
They are also questions to answer the fourth series of evaluation of services in computer centers, of workshops and laboratories. This from December 21 to 1 and on these years. To answer the sensitive.
¿Cómo se ve en mi cara?
Pues ahí se ve.
Pues así nada más y leo, güey.
Sí, tal como va a hacerlo.
Tú me dices cuando ya.
Vale.
¿Ya?
Pero es que no me dijo. Bueno, ahorita tú lo corto. Ay, cabrón, espérame. Eso. Hello, Yajaira and Elda. The climate in Mexico varies from the tropical to desert depending on the variation in altitude. How is the weather today? In the city of Querétaro, a cold front is expected today with a rainy climate on temperatures of 5 degrees. In the states near Querétaro, its temperatures will be 10 degrees. In the north of the country, in the states of Mazatlán, Tepic, Durango, and Tamaulipas, the temperatures will be 20 degrees. In the southern states of Mexico, the weather will be cloudy and thunderstorms are expected with temperatures of 15 degrees. Thanks, Elda and Yajaira. See you.
Thank you, Sergio. Well, remember that you have to leave warm to avoid disease?
Thank you for being with us. Elda is informing you that there has just been a clash of February 5. Take your precaution, slow transit.
Remember to drive with caution. No dije. ¿Qué dije? Caution.
¿En cuál vas a remember?
Ajá.
Ah, okay.
Dije,
Bueno,
no sé qué
otra
dice.
vez.
Otra vez.
Oh, rayos.
Ay, no grabé.
Tan inspirado que estaba.
Ya está grabando.
A ver. Hello, Yahaira and Elsa. Welcome back to the favorite section. I'm talking for the safety or poison in New York. I'm reporting in the New York City the most incredible intoxication because the food is contaminated in the center of the city. You need to listen to this report for you take the necessary safety measures. You can make a complaint about food safety practice in service establishments, including unsanitary conditions, pets, and insect infestations. You can also report for poison for anything prepared by a commercial establishment or from eating at parties, within banquets or other gatherings. Symptoms of food poisoning include vomiting, diarrhea, and abdominal cramps. You can write food safety complaints against supermakers, farmers makers, fish makers, paper stores, bodegas, warehouses, delis, bakeries, cafeterias, food cars, including green cars, is the most important, stands or trucks, and restaurants. If you are reporting for poison, You must indicate how many people become sick and that food that you think causes the ills. It's possible. Keep a sample of the food so I may be collected and tested. The Department of Health will issue the lessons or warning.
442-674-1234.
Tell us where you will celebrate Christmas. With you who and what are your traditions? Yahaira, with you whom you spend these days?
Well, Elda, I'm going to spend it with my family and my mother and my brothers and my newspapers and you, Elda?
Also with my boyfriend and my family in my town, and I with typical food of these days, sauce and punch, and tamales and candy cannot miss.
And you guys, we are waiting for your messages. For now, we are going to with Israel Montes, who tells us about the world of the sports. We'll listen to Israel.
Hello, Yahaira and Elda. This is one more session of sports. We're starting a news of Monterrey's team. Monterrey, it is the victory in the Liguilla, beginning 0-1 at Morelia in the first leg of the semi-finals of Apertura 2017. Rayado didn't have to be used strongly with a whisk-hit penalty from Avilés Hurtado was enough to come out of Morelos and give to Closet the regular class of the final of Liga MX. And let's go of the Spain event, Russia 2018, this Friday. 1st December, this F of the world will be placed in the Kremlin in attempt to regain credibility. FIFA has conducted simulation of the draw, the goal to give fine alleging unlegality than a debate and let's about the possible match out on the dooms are false. The conclusion to the World Cup for W Sport 17 after the FIFA we cancel everything from 9 o'clock.
Here is the newest and most recent of the sports so that they are well informed.
We are about to finish the broadcast today. We thank you for joining us on this day.
We ask ourselves of you. We hope we watch us on our next broadcast tomorrow at the same time.
Thanks to all our audiences. The informative, always informing opportunity. Until tomorrow.
Ya.
Thank you.
Bye. Ya.
Listo. Ahora cuál salió.
Is informing you that here is just been a clash or verify. Take you no otra vez.
Precautions?
A ver, sabe. Thank you for being with
Deben de demostrarse a la
us.
gente que no hay que usar maquillaje para
¿Verdad que
verse
sí?
bien.
Ay. Nos vemos horribles,
Al
pero no
natural.
tenemos maquillaje.
¿Qué pasa?
Bueno, ok, ya.
Bueno, está bien, ahora
Section
jalo.
weekends. As every day, we will
es
with
que sí.
Jorge Reyes ahead. George.
For keeping you.
¿Digo George o Jorge?
Y el que quieras, George. O Jorge.
We
¿Cómo
hear
te
you.
gusta?
Lo mismo.
O Miguel si quieren.
Miguel.
¿Te llamas
¿Te
Miguel?
llamas
Sí,
Miguel?
me llamo Miguel.
Jorge Miguel.
Reyes Álvarez. Tengo nombre de actor de telenovela.
Sí.
No parezco, pero tengo nombre.
¿Nunca,
Dios.
¿Nunca has hecho casting para
¿Para alguna
No
novela?
sé.
La Rosa de Guadalupe.
No, no creo que me quieran contratar.
Un
Saldría
casting.
caro.
Ay,
Ay.
no tienes que decir algo como de que me lates cañón y ya. O sea, no es tanto.
Pero por eso se cobra caro. Voy a salir en televisión nacional, nadie me puede ver.
Otro William Levy, ¿no?
Próximo voy a leer de ahí a la academia.
Ya sé, voy a ser cantante.
¿Te haces famoso?
No, ¿quién es la voz México? Ah, no, Enamorados. No lo veo, pero...
Tu salto a la fama.
Voy a ver por quién voy del programa.
Muy bien. Tu
Bueno,
salto
ya.
a la fama va a ser ese.
Entonces...
Ahí está grabando, ustedes denle.
¿Qué?
Ah, ok. ¿Tú le cortas?
Sí, yo
Ok.
le corto. No sé.
Bueno.
Thank you, Sergio. Well, remember that you have to live where to avoid disease.
Thank you for being with us. Elda is informing you that there has...
Hello, Yahaira and Elda. This one more section of sports. They were strict owners of Monterrey's team.
Sí, sí.
The Monterrey aiding the victory in the Liguilla, big win 0-1 at Morelia in the first leg of the semi-finals of Apertura 2017. Rayado didn't have to the